Yellows, my name is Lucas Jorge from Norwich City FC BR, the Brazilian Canary, and the blog South American Canaries. So you must be asking, where is my Norwich shirt? Calm down, my Norwich shirt is saved for the game on Saturday versus against Everton on Carroll Road. And for it, I'm asking to you, what your expectations and what your predict for this game and the expectations for the game and the Norwich on the all Premier League association. My expectation is good. Maybe we can access to Europe. My optimist vision. Well, talking about the game on Saturday, I think so. My predict is 2-1 for Norwich City. The goals Johnson and Rick van Wolfswinkel. Great for me, it's great. I hope if possible, Norwich no concede goals, but the predict is 2-1 for me, and I hope see your expectation and your predict on the commentaries on this vlog on YouTube. And you thinking, what is Talking to Canaries? Talking to Canaries is the name of this vlog. In other times, on the last session, I'm making this Talking to Canaries, but is in podcast format. I'm talking in Portuguese, but in Brazil, I'm happy and not have much Norwich fans, and I make improvements on my English, and I'm modificate this Talking to Canaries on vlog format for talking with you that lives on England, Norwich. Well, for today is just it, because just now I'm going to my college, and I promise more vlogs around the weeks on the Norwich games I'm talking about, and much more. I hope you enjoy, and well, Canaries, have a good week. This is my first time recording the Talking to Canaries on this format vlog. I have no idea what you're thinking about my English, if you understand what I'm talking. So say your own commentaries, your opinion of my of my English. I'm trying to make my best. So have a good week. I see you later or on Twitter. Bye, Yellows. On the ball, City. Never mind the danger. Yoo-hoo! I finished this. God. Oh, amazing.